Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite baby girl, Nazom. Nazom baby, Nazom darling, a beauty like Nazom. On today's Igbo tutorial class, we are going to talk about the alphabet in Igbo language. Alright, so if you are interested in a topic like this, just sit back and enjoy this video. Okay, let me speak it in Igbo. Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. Aha m bụ Nwada Chinazọpụtam. Okay, ọmụala ga-akụziri unu asụsụ Abiidi Igbo ụbọchị taa. So nọdụ n'ọfụma, geenụ ntị ka unu nwee ike ịghọta ihe nke anyị ga-agụ n'ụbọchị taa.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
Okay, from the beginning, I have to say that Abiidi, which is alphabet in Igbo language, they have vowels and consonants. They are divided into vowels and consonants. Okay, and also the vowel sounds we already know in English is called A, E, I, O, U. All right, then when it comes to Igbo, it's a different thing. Then the consonants is also a different thing. You know, in English we have the vowels, then the consonants are the rest when you remove the vowels. Then in Igbo is a very different thing altogether. So I have to let you guys know that what we call in alphabet we have the vowels and the consonants. Okay, in Igbo the vowels are called udaume. Then in Igbo the consonants are also called mgbochume. Okay, and we know that in language, in the alphabet we have in language, when you remove the vowels, the remaining other ones are called mgbochume, and when you remove vowel in English, the remaining are called consonants. So likewise in Igbo, in Abiidi Igbo, which is the Igbo alphabet, when you remove the udaume, the remaining will be mgbochume. Okay, I will literally leave the udaume for you on this video. All right, then I will also literally list out the mgbochume for you, which I know as the consonants. Okay, all right, so in case there's another development, but I think these are the two major ones that you have to know in alphabets. Okay, so I believe this is quite explanatory to you as you're watching this video, and I believe you will find it quite insightful for you to also know these things while you are learning this alphabet with me today. Okay, right, let's get into this. Today you're going to learn it, and we're going to learn how to we're going to read the alphabets in Igbo language today. Okay, I have to also let you guys know that the alphabets in Igbo language are 36 in number. They are 36 in number. All right, okay, so I will start with saying A, B, Chi, D, A, Fi, Gi, We, He, E, G, 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 K, 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 B, 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 Que, 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 Li, 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 Me, 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 Ne, 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 Nye, 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 Nwe, 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 Nye, 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 O, 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 P, 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 Re, 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 C, C, She, 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 T, 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 U, 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 O, 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 V, 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 we, 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 ye, 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 z, 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 z. Okay, Divine, Yabu, Otaiswere, kwuo maka Abiidi Igbo ụbọchị taa. Eji m n'aka na unu laikiri ya bụ unu na-agụ ya bụ Abiidi ụbọchị taa. Mana enwere ụzọ ọzọ anyị ga-esi wee gụọ ya. Okay, I want to say that I hope you like the way we are reciting the alphabet in Igbo. Okay, so all the same, there are other ways that you can also recite this alphabet in Igbo language. Okay, so let me go by like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, H, W, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Alright guys, this is another way you recite alphabets in Igbo language. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos, okay, so that others can also learn this language. Okay, I won't also say that if you're passionate about learning Igbo language, I think the basis is learning how to recite the alphabet. Know the Igbo alphabet by yourself, so that each of them you can be able to pronounce them, because each of the alphabets, they goes by the sound they make while you are using them. So that is why it's needful that you learn Igbo language with me.